Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am super excited today to bring you today's video, and it's all about my grandson's nursery decorating. And if you don't know, because you're new, first of all, welcome. My name is Krissy, and I became a grandma for the first time just a few weeks ago, and he is wonderful. He came a little early, but he's doing great. Mama's doing great, and they just bought a new house. So we also need to help them decorate the baby room. So we are headed down there with a whole bunch of stuff to start the decoration process.
Alright, this is what we're working with, folks. This is everything for the baby. You can see got tons of diapers in there already. There's still not everything is over here. They got to make a second trip. But yeah, this is what we need to basically fit in here, so wish us luck. Hey guys, we're back. So as you can see, we've got some stuff happening back here, and the room is a little bit more organized than the last clip you saw. A lot of family was over here helping them get it all together, so that's wonderful. But now we decided before we can decorate, we need to paint a wall mural. So let me show you kind of what Kyle's doing. Zelda, are you gonna help? No, down. You guys stay down. Good girl. So Kyle has a bunch of tools here, and we are going to be painting a mountain scene on this wall, and that is the same wall that the crib is gonna be on. So yeah, let's see what I can show you. So you can kind of see Kyle had marked on the wall here, and he's gonna be putting different paint in different spots. So here is some of the paint. He got 4 different colors. So here's 3 of them, and then I'll show you the 4th. And then here is the other color. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. Zuzu, what are you doing, kitty kitty? What are you doing, kitty kitty? Am I gonna catch you on camera? Alright, so he's got that blue and that blue all in. He said he did 2 coats of that. So yeah, it's looking good so far. Alright, and here it is, all done with the crib pushed up against it. Oh my gosh, Kyle did such a good job. Do you guys love it? Comment down below and tell Kyle how good he did. I mean, I knew it was gonna be good, but he really did awesome. So yeah, let's decorate this place.
Alright, so Kyle is now finished with the beautiful mural. Oh, I just love it so much. He did a fantastic job. But I think we're going to turn our attention to the closet and get this organized. She has so many diapers that he's not in these sizes yet. So we're going to put them up higher because that's completely empty. And then we can unpack some clothes, and we can show you some cute little socks and things like that, and find homes for all of that.
Azuna, are you helping? Are you helping? Hi, kitty kitty. Aww.
I love her meow.
Do you love your new little brother? She's like, meh.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video, and thanks for hanging out with us. I just love how this room turned out. I hope when he grows up and sees pictures and reflects back on his room that he will love it too. What was your favorite part? Let me know in the comments. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really does mean so much when you do. And also be sure to hit that subscribe button too, because we have more videos that we're doing at my son and daughter-in-law's new house. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!